Hi guys, welcome to this short build video. If like me, you love to have a fire going while sitting on your deck sipping a drink, you must have come across the same problem that I've had, which is you need to protect your decking. So the solution I initially came up with was to use a concrete slab. Drama with this, it's ugly. It's not big enough, and any of the embers as I open and put more wood on my fire drop out and start burning my decking. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful hearth like this. So today's build really will be child's play, and to prove it, I've recruited my son Jacob.
Hi.
And he's going to be doing all of the work. I'll be taking him through it just like I'm taking you through on this video, but everything that's going to be done in this video will be done by Jacob.
Hopefully I don't chop my fingers off. Okay guys, step one to this build. We're going to take these tiles outside, put them on the decking so we can get the overall measurements. As you can see, I've laid down these tiles, so all we need to do now is place these 4mm tile spacers in the gaps to get the overall measurement. Put the plastic spacers in here, in the middle and in the sides. So what we need to do now is measure it length by width. We're bearing in mind that we've got a 4mm gap with the plastic spacers. The width is 125mm and the length is 115mm. In this channel, Modify, we don't throw it, we modify it. So the thing we're going to be modifying today are some old pieces of wood that were from my dad's work and some offcuts of plywood that were donated to us. Ideally, we would use 18mm thick plywood for the base, but because we don't want to buy it and we want to use recycled products, we're going to have to get two thinner pieces and laminate them together to make the thickness we want. The glue I'm going to be using today is Gorilla Wood Glue, link in the description, as is for all the other tools we've used today, including the materials. Please, please, please have a look, because it'll cost you no more and it'll help us continue making videos like these. I'm going to be using these screws just to pull these two pieces of wood together while the glue sets, and this is to make it stronger. Now it's time to start tiling. First of all though, we need to mix up the tile adhesive. Because we're putting it on wood, we need a flexible tile adhesive. Link also in the description. Just a quick note, you might want to work very quickly when using this because it dries in 15 minutes. I'm now going to spread this all over the board using this tool here. I've got to mix up some more adhesive in a bit. For now, I'm going to lay the tiles down though. put a new mix on, and now I'm ready to put my last 2 tiles down. While I'm waiting for this to set, which takes 30 minutes, I'm going to go and wash my tools. Using the reclaimed wood from my dad's work, I'm going to cut it at a 45-degree angle so I can frame this whole base. Now I'm going to glue and screw. However, just to make sure the wood doesn't split, I'm going to do some pilot holes. This time we're going to be using an expanding Gorilla Glue. Again, link in the description. To make this glue work, you need to dampen the surface that you're gluing, just like this. Go. Here you can see the glue's already starting to expand. We've now framed it, so all we need to do now is go around and give it a nice little edge with the router. I'm now going to grout it using this pad. Now I've finished grouting, I need to sponge off the excess grout. Because this is soft wood, I'm going to varnish it, which will help protect it from the weather. It'll also help it look nice as well. That's the second coat done. All we need to do now is put it on the floor and get the chimenea going. Let's see what it's like. The best thing about building something yourself is that you get to enjoy it.
Hello again guys, thanks for watching that video, I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked what we made or want to check out some of our other videos, then I've made a kids fully functioning fire engine. I made that decking that you saw outside, and I've also made this mobile phone controlled Nerf gun. It's really crazy.
Please hit the like button and subscribe.
And remember,
don't throw it, modify it.